Hello guys, this is Mr. Chan and I would like you to watch a video about how to do corrections on the pronouns. But before that, I would like you to prepare the stationery. So they include the highlighter, the ball pen, and make sure you have two colors of ball pen. So this time I use blue and red. And also you have another colors of highlighter as well. So let's get started. So this is a quiz about pronoun, right? So for pronoun, we are trying to use those words like I, you, we, they, he, she, it, and him, her, and me, and them, and us, and so on to describe the nouns, because we do not want to write the nouns for many times. So let's take a look at those nouns when you are look at the question. So say for example, Mike here. For the first paragraph, Mike is saying, look at this poster. So we took a, help me underline poster. So Tina. So what's for the school club's open day? So obviously this is talking about poster, and that is why we are trying to use it. But make sure you're in capital letter because we got a full stop before the answer. So number one, it. I want to go. So let's look at the second question. Now we are here. I want to go and have a look at lunchtime. Do you want to go with? So here we have two nouns, I and you. So we either repeat I or repeat you. So here obviously we are trying to, Mike is trying to say that to invite Tina to go to the school club's open day with Mike. So the boy wants to go with the girl, and the boy is asking, do you want to go with? So the second one should be me. Alright, try to write the notes for me. And now we move on to the second part. So Tina replies and saying, yes, of course. Which clubs do you want to join? I'm not sure. I want to find out some more about first. What about you? So what are they talking about here? For these two paragraphs, the topic is about the school clubs. So Tina talk about clubs, and Mike is saying that, oh, I'm not sure. I want to find out more about school clubs first. What about you? So here we are trying to use clubs pronoun. So what can we use to describe clubs? The answer is not it. The answer should be them. T-H-E-M. Alright? T-H-E-M. You know why? Because we got more than one club. So we cannot use it. And we cannot use it as well. So we cannot just simply add an S. But we have to make them plural. And if you want to say plural, it must be them. T-H-E-M. So let's move on. Sorry. So let's move on. I want to join the art. Tina says, I want to join the art club. I'm not good at drawing. But who just need to be interested in art to join the club? So they are talking about joining the club, right? So I use another color here. So they keep talking about joining the club. And it means that they are talking about the person who wants to join the club. Tina wants to join the club, and Tina is worried. That's why she's saying, I'm not good at drawing. However, someone just need to be interested in art to join the club. So what should it be? Here, Tina is trying to refer to anyone, anybody who wants to join the club. But that person must be very interested in art to join the club. And that's why we are using you here. Okay? You here, it doesn't mean Mike, it means anybody. So we say this is, help me jot it down, please. So this is called exclusive. You. It actually means anybody. All right. So you, it's just like Mr. Chan, right? So every single lesson I will ask you a question. Do you understand? So here, you doesn't mean person. You here means everybody in about who is about the joining the arts club. And let's take a look at Mike. So Mike is saying, hey Carol, Carol likes arts too. So another girl, and it's called Carol. So Carol is a girl. For some students in 1A, they do not know Carol means a girl. So it's a girl's name. So Carol is a girl. Let's ask what to go with what. So now I guess Mike and Tina will go together, right? So here we are trying to write Mike and Tina. And for question number 5, we know that, so they are trying to ask a question to Carol. So, what pronouns can we use to describe Carol? It's either she or her, right? So which one do we have to use now? I guess we have to take a look at the action. So who does the action of asking? Here. Take a look at your highlighter again and try to help me underline or highlight the word ask. I'm sorry, I have to use another color because it's not talking about the nouns. So, who is doing the action of asking? And I guess they are doing it. So what's apostrophe S means? If you know, this is us, okay? Let us ask Carol to go with Mike and Tina. So Mike and Tina, it should be us as well. All right? And do not forget to bracket it. So what about Carol then for question number 5? So let's ask Carol. So let's ask she. So it should be let's ask her. Okay, so try to write the both she and her, and please help me delete the word she. So let's move on. Tina says, okay, but where is Carol? What is nearly 11? So 11 is, what is 11 here? Is it talking about the age? Is he talking about how old she is? No, it's talking about time. Can we say Carol is nearly 11? No, Carol is not, a time. If we say that, so we should say Carol is nearly 11 years old, right? So, but however, the 11 here on question number 7 means time rather than age. So if we are talking about time, so we have to try to use a redundant pronoun, and it is it. It is 11 o'clock. What time, say for example, what time is it now? It is 11 o'clock. Okay, so this is how it is showing to you. And we need to find her before the end of recess. Mike says, don't worry, what's in my class? So somebody or something is in my class. So Mike here is trying to say, I guess this is about a person, and that person is Carol. So the answer for number 8, she. Okay, she's in my class. Carol is in my class. I will let her know. We can all meet in the playground at lunchtime. Okay, we can all meet in the playground at lunchtime. So for question number 9, can meet at the library instead? So you can see a word is repeated, and that is meet. So we can all meet in the playground at lunchtime. So for we here, I'm sure they are talking about Carol, Mike, and Tina all together. So this is for the word we. So Mike is trying to propose an idea that so they meet at the playground. So the place is playground. But Tina proposed another place, and that is library. So who are going to meet there? And again, I'm sure there are only 3 people in that conversation. And obviously for question number 9, so it's Carol, Mike, and Tina. So for question number 9, the answer should be we. Okay, number 10. What very hot outside? Can we say a person is very hot outside? No, so that means we are not going to use I, you, we, they, he, she. Alright, so we cannot say, for question number 10, we cannot say a person is very hot outside. We can say a person is very hot, but not a person is very hot outside. So the only thing is we can use is it. So also it's a redundant pronoun. Alright? So it's very hot, it's very cold. It's the same for question number 11. So it is better to stay indoors. And Mike wants to end the conversation and he's trying to say something to Carol. Sure, see you later. Alright? So I'm sure you will get to know more about the pronouns, and also how to do corrections on these worksheets. Now, the only thing that you can do, the only corrections that you need to do is to watch this video and try to write down the correct answers next to your mistakes. And also, please remember to help me mark down some notes, like using the highlighter to show that, okay, next time when I do some questions like this, I can refer to a noun that is talking about. And also, we have to pay attention for the plural. So like, say for example, question number 3, clubs, clubs. So it is a plural. So for plural, we cannot use it, we use them. And also for question number 4, you here means anybody, but not a particular person. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.